Last thing I want to talk about on our function select buttons. Right now, how the console's set up is that on these strips right here, I can select individual functions and look at individual functions. But let's say if you wanted to look at all your aux sends across the console or all your EQ, what you can do is on this last module here, and it can be across any of the modules, it doesn't have to be this last one, I'm only using this as an example. If I hold the wave key and touch on the upper left button, this changes this strip only to an all strip. What that allows me to do then is actually look at all of my dynamics across the console, or all of my EQ, or all of my aux sends. So it deals with function select throughout the entire console. It doesn't deal with parameters, it just deals with the function select buttons. One of the great things about the console is the copy and paste function. What I can do is copy different parameters of a specific function and paste that across anywhere on the console. To use the copy and paste function, on the strip that you want to copy, hold the wave key and press the copy button. This drops me into the copy mode. Let's just say I want to copy my dynamics section on this strip. What I'm going to do then is make sure this is on dynamics and use the function select button right here. Then what I can do is on another strip, hold the wave key and say paste. Now what I've done is I've pasted the parameters of the dynamic section on this strip to the dynamic section of this strip. To copy two different functions at one time, hold the wave key, select copy. I want to copy my dynamic section. I select my function select. I then select EQ and use the function select button. I know that I've copied the EQ because the function select button is lit up red. I know that I've copied my dynamic section because it's lit up red. Go to another strip and now select the wave key, hold it, say paste, and now I've pasted both the dynamic section parameters and the EQ parameters to this other strip. To clear out a specific function and all the parameters on that specific function to start over, it's a very easy process. Whatever function that you have selected, on the TFT screen here at the bottom, you can see whatever function is selected. In this case, dynamics are selected. If I want to clear my dynamics out, all I have to do is tap on the left button that lights up the word clear. Whatever function that I have selected there now, I just tap on the right button and it clears out my dynamics. As you can see, my dynamics have turned off and the dynamic in button is off as well. Now I can do that with any function that I want. Here again, I have EQ. That's the function that I have selected. I can select clear, tap on the EQ button, and everything goes away.